Welcome back to the channel, GSS Racing. We're changing pace today a little bit. We're going to work on my daughter's Duramax. Right now we're just kind of piecing together some exhaust, temporary deal for get her through for a little bit, and then when she's ready, her boyfriend and I are going to do the rocker panels, fenders, and then paint the truck. So here's where we're at. Pile of goo, a couple different trucks, the rusty piece that fell off her truck, putting an ugly little patch on there.
Oh yeah.
Patchy patchy. And then had to make some stuff up here. We dug through the neighbor's scrap pile, found a new downpipe piece because hers rotted off up there. So yeah, a little change of pace for today. Working on a rusty Duramax. Stay tuned. This build will be in the channel one day. Thanks for watching. See ya.